Hey guys, welcome back to the Build and Boost YouTube channel. We're going to get straight into this one with a tear down and some fabrication of the wheel arches in my ute. So enjoy. Alright guys, as you can see, oh my god, I say that a fair bit, don't I? Sort of come into this with a bit of a plan and started folding it up, and the plan changed a bit, but I'm okay with that. It's generally what happens with my stuff. I just wing it. It ends up turning out alright. So we went some 16 gauge in here because I knew, as you can see, if you get down the light, you can actually see where I've slightly tweaked these in the bender. The reason I went so heavy with it is I want it to be strong, but little slight marks like that, I can get away with sanding those out of it with a flat disc, so that will all be nice and smooth and gradual. I don't have a set of rollers to muck around with it, but put a nice big fillet radius in here. Wanted that to be nice and smooth. I'll end up, did want a big smooth fillet in there as well. I'm not real keen. I'm not going to just fill it full of bog either, so I'll end up welding in there and just putting a nice small little fillet in there with a bit of bog to smooth it off. Originally when I'd done everything, I knew nothing about bog and all the rest of it, so it was basically everything was all metal. This is the second time around. This is actually the third time I've been mucking around with this, but yeah, I did put these in here as well last time, so you can't see in there. I'll run wires and that inside the guards, but as you can see, I didn't end up bogging all along here. You can see where it was all TIG welded along there, so that'll get all smoothed out this time. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. I liked it nice, gentle, smooth. I was originally actually thinking that it would sort of be basically flat and then curve that way, but it was a bit hard because this is obviously a compound angle folded this way, and then plus I wanted to roll it as well. It's not quite as simple to roll that, but worked out pretty good. I'm happy with that. So I'll go ahead and stitch that in, tack it in there for now. A little bit shorter, would have preferred this to be over there, but I can fill that in with a bit of weld and grind him back. I think the main thing I'll have to do before I go welding everything is build a bar to go from there to there. I sort of have noticed that these points have started creeping in on me, so I'm going to change that. But other than that, pretty happy with it. holes for that side. Get them all good. Turned out exactly how I wanted it. Looks good. A little bit more of a gap here to allow the pipe to get in and out easier, but when I make a cowl for this anyways, it's going to come down and cover all that, so not too worried. Other than that, just a bit more progress, so yeah, I'm happy. Well, fellas, what do you reckon, Charlie? Does it look good?
I want to see.
It's recording.
No, because it's dropping.
It's dropping, is it? Dropping.
Yeah. Okay, do the motor.
A lot more room around the turbo on that now.
Do it.
It's nice and tidy in there. Pretty happy. So I didn't manage to get this on video, but I did get a pic of a mistake that I'd made. I got a bit too keen and tacked the panels in before making a template of where the pipe sat, and therefore I had to guess where they'd go, which led me to be way out. Fortunately, I'm pretty crafty and I could fix it without anyone being the wiser, but that's not how I operate. I'm only human. You get to see all my mistakes on here, and there's bound to be plenty more where that come from. But we'll finish it up with that for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw me some comments. Let me know if you like it or if you reckon I could do something differently. But anyways, like always, get busy and keep building. See you guys.